Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, everybody. Yes, Kenny, I know you're going to put one of those comments saying that Swazzy the Jedi crashed the TARDIS into the London Eye or something like that. Really do like those comments. Brightens my day. I actually do like reading them. But today is this one. Heavy Rain, the IRE, hashtag routine for life. Yes. They joined on the September 22nd, 2018. Yeah, I watch stuff and like BFB. Also, can never upload on a decent schedule. Name Nathan. Age. Why do you care? Place of. He's basically Irish. He's a little can Irish. He's got nothing there. So what I'm gonna do? But hey. Okay. So, channels, he's done featuring channels, playlist videos, he's done a few, by the looks of it. We've done a few, yeah. But, everyone, get subscribed, link down in the description. As always, goodbye.